Okay, here's the Photoshop mini vids. In Photoshop Motion Video Production, we can start a new file in several ways. One way to start a new file is to open a video or an MOV file directly into Photoshop. I have Photoshop open with no open files, but I have already chosen the Motion workspace, and I will check and make sure and reset the Motion workspace so everything's where it should originally begin, and then you can move things around when you want to, but starting with it reset I find is very helpful. I have a video that I have already formatted in Adobe Media Encoder to a required size, which is 1280 wide by 720 high. So go to the File pull down and open using File Open, and look for your video. I'm going to open the Quilt 1 MOV. You can see this is already 1280 by 720. When I open it, it immediately opens as a movie file. Here is a video, and pull this, you can see that it puts it in at the length at which it was formatted. So it's like six seconds long. So it's very short. But once we have this selected and you have it open, you could use this to rotoscope. You could use it as a background for part of your file or a short clip that you want to use as part of a file. You want to check under image size, so image size, to make sure it is the size you think it is. So it's 1280 by 720, I'm okay. And then you can check the frames per second by going to the pull down at the right hand side of the timeline. And you can see set timeline frame rate. And here you see it is 24 frames per second. That's okay. Now make sure to save your file with a unique name. So I'm going to say File, Save. I'm going to select where I want to put this. So I'm going to put it in my PSD documents. And I'm going to call this Quilt, but I'm going to put my initials at the end so that it is a unique name, and I'll be able to find it. I know where it is. Okay, so that is how you would start a Photoshop document using an existing movie or video.